Is it me or is it my hormones? It's a question women everywhere quietly ask, often met with confusion or dismissal. In the new Menopause, Dr. Mary Claire Haver puts this question at the forefront, transforming menopause from silent suffering into empowered self-care. Dr. Haver, an OB/GYN who faced perimenopause herself, realized traditional advice like eat less, exercise more wasn't enough. Her journey led her to dig into the science, seeking real, evidence-based solutions for symptoms like weight gain, brain fog, and anxiety. Menopause isn't a disease, it's a natural transition driven by declining estrogen, affecting everything from metabolism to heart health. Understanding this shift is the first step to regaining control. Imagine your body as an orchestra. Estrogen has been the conductor, and now the instruments are out of sync. Dr. Haver's book teaches women to become their own conductors, using nutrition and lifestyle changes as new tools. It's about thriving, not just surviving, and learning what your body truly needs now. The new Menopause is a guide to rewriting your own health story. The new Menopause introduces the Galveston diet, a plan designed for women in midlife. It's not a fad diet, but a strategy focused on anti-inflammatory foods, lean protein, fewer refined carbs, and intermittent fasting. Menopause changes your metabolism. Old eating habits just don't work anymore. The Galveston diet is about fueling your body with what it needs now: lean proteins, healthy fats, and fewer processed foods. Intermittent fasting isn't about deprivation. It's about giving your body time to repair and reduce inflammation. Simple changes like swapping a bagel for a protein smoothie add up to big results. Women report not just weight loss, but clearer thinking, better moods, and less joint pain. The focus is on sustainable, nourishing choices. Food becomes medicine, helping you feel your best through menopause. The Galveston diet is a blueprint for thriving in your new hormonal reality. It's about making every meal count for your health. Chronic inflammation is the silent culprit behind many menopausal symptoms, from joint pain to brain fog. As estrogen declines, the body's natural defenses weaken, making women more vulnerable to this internal fire. Modern diets high in processed foods and sugar only fuel the flames. Dr. Haver shifts the focus from treating symptoms to addressing inflammation at its source, your plate. The Galveston diet is fundamentally anti-inflammatory, emphasizing foods like leafy greens, berries, fatty fish, and nuts. These choices help calm the body's overactive immune response, restoring balance. You have more control than you think. Conscious food choices can lower inflammation and protect long-term health. Chronic inflammation is linked to heart disease, diabetes, and cancer, all of which rise after menopause. Adopting an anti-inflammatory lifestyle isn't just about relief now. It's an investment in your future. Take charge and build a stronger, healthier body for the years ahead. Menopause isn't just about hot flashes. It affects your brain, bones, and heart. Estrogen is a neuroprotective hormone supporting memory, mood, and brain energy. When estrogen drops, brain fog and anxiety can set in, but it's a normal adaptation, not a sign of dementia. Estrogen also helps maintain bone density and heart health. Its loss increases risks of osteoporosis and heart disease. Dr. Haver stresses the importance of weight-bearing exercise to protect bones and regular cardio for heart health. An anti-inflammatory diet and stress management are crucial. A morning walk isn't just for weight, it's for your brain, bones, and heart. The book encourages a holistic approach. Every healthy habit is an investment in your future self. Menopause is a time to prioritize your health like never before. With the right strategies, you can stay strong, sharp, and active. It's about thriving in every part of your life. The new Menopause is about empowerment through knowledge. Dr. Haver urges women to become experts on their own bodies and to break the silence around menopause. The book gives women the language and confidence to advocate for themselves in medical settings. It also opens up honest conversations about hormone therapy, clarifying risks and benefits so women can make informed choices. The goal isn't one size fits all, but personalized care based on science and self-awareness. Menopause is not an ending, it's a new chapter. By sharing our stories and knowledge, we can transform this experience for ourselves and future generations. Talk about it with friends, partners, and doctors. The silence is finally being broken. This is more than a book, it's the start of a revolution.